Most traders trade too much, not because they see opportunity, but because they haven't learned how to think. This channel is built around one principle: trade less and think more. No hype, no signals, just professional logic, risk awareness, and disciplined execution. The market doesn't reward activity. It rewards understanding. Trade less, think more. Let's begin. Low drawdown sounds like discipline. Many traders believe the lower the drawdown, the better the system. In prop firms, that assumption often leads to failure, not because the system is unsafe, but because it's inefficient. Prop firms don't optimize for comfort. They optimize for capital efficiency. Capital efficiency means how much progress a system makes per unit of allowed drawdown. A system can be very safe and still fail if it doesn't move capital meaningfully. Low drawdown systems usually achieve safety by reducing exposure, smaller position sizes, tighter risk limits, fewer meaningful winners. The system survives, but it advances very slowly. In performance-based environments, slow advancement is indistinguishable from failure. Prop firms impose constraints, even when they don't announce them. Markets change. Opportunity windows close. Momentum regimes rotate. A system designed to avoid drawdown at all costs often avoids opportunity at the same time. Prop firms are not looking for recklessness. They are looking for controlled aggression. That means exposure large enough to matter, risk capped by rules, drawdown accepted within limits. It's not about avoiding drawdown. It's about using drawdown productively. Here's the mistake most traders make. They treat drawdown as a signal of failure instead of a cost of participation. In prop environments, drawdown isn't the enemy. Unproductive drawdown is. A small drawdown that produces no momentum is just as damaging as a large drawdown that breaks rules. The difference is perception. One feels disciplined, the other looks risky. But from the firm's perspective, both fail the same test. Did the system convert risk into progress? Professionals don't aim for the lowest possible drawdown. They aim for the best conversion rate between risk and outcome. That means accepting drawdown when the odds justify it, and refusing trades when drawdown would be wasted. One approach maximizes emotional comfort. The other maximizes capital efficiency. Prop firms reward the second, even when it feels uncomfortable to trade. Low drawdown feels safe, but safety without progress doesn't meet performance objectives. Prop firms don't pay for caution. They pay for controlled advancement. If your system avoids drawdown by avoiding opportunity, it isn't conservative, it's misaligned. Progress requires exposure. Exposure requires accepting drawdown. And mastery is knowing when that drawdown is worth paying. If this helped clarify how professionals think about trading, take a moment to reflect before moving on. Consistency comes from understanding, not speed. New videos are published regularly, breaking down risk, structure, and execution step by step. Subscribe if you want trading explained calmly, clearly, and without noise. Trade less, think more. This is how professionals stay consistent. See you next time.